In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on Google Meet. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to maintain your privacy or keep any distractions out of sight while you're attending a virtual meeting. Let's dive right into the process, which is simple and takes only a few moments to set up. First, let's begin by heading over to Google Meet. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Google Meet on the search bar, or you can directly enter the URL if you have it. This will take you to the Google Meet homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a few options for starting a meeting, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on the New Meeting button. This will allow you to set up a new Google Meet video call. Now, a small menu will appear, and you'll notice there's an option to start an instant meeting. Go ahead and click on that. This option will immediately create a new meeting and take you into the video call interface where you can begin setting up your background preferences. Once you are in the meeting interface, move your cursor to the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see a menu bar with various options like microphone and video settings. Look for the icon with 3 vertical dots. This represents more options and is your gateway to additional settings. Clicking on more options will bring up a new menu. From this expanded list, you need to select backgrounds and effects. This is where the magic happens. In the backgrounds and effects section, you will find a variety of options for personalizing your video call experience. Among these, you will see the blur and personal backgrounds choices that allow you to either blur your current background or even select a custom background. Since our focus today is on blurring, select one of the blur options. Typically there are 2 intensity levels available, a slight blur and a stronger blur. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. And there you have it. Your background should now be blurred, providing a layer of privacy and a more professional look to your virtual meeting setting. This small yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your video calling experience by minimizing distractions and keeping the focus on you. Remember, you can always tweak these settings anytime during the meeting if needed. If you're attending meetings regularly, it's handy to get familiar with these tools to ensure smooth and professional interactions. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blurring on Google Meet.